Hi friends, this is Devansh and in this video I am going to tell you how you can fix error 0xc0070652 on Windows 10 when you're trying to uninstall any application. So please watch this video completely and let's begin. So the first method is restart the Windows installer services. For that you have to go to the services, type this command services.msc in the run window and this will open this window, services window. Here you can see all the services are arranged in alphabetical order. Then go downside and you will find Windows services, Windows installer. So you have to double click on it and check it is started or not. If it is not started, you have to go inside it and click on start to start this service. If this service is not started, then you have to do this, and if it is already started, then in that case you have to restart it. For that you have to right click on it and click on restart. Once you click on restart, this will again restart this service, Windows installer service. After that go and try to uninstall or install the program in which you are getting this error. Now the next method is stop the MSI service, which is basically the main Windows installer services. For that go to the task manager, go to the services tab, and then here services are arranged in alphabetical order. Now scroll down and go to the MSI server. In MSI server you have to right click on it and click on stop to stop it. For my case it is already stopped, so I have no issues. So sometimes when we try to install the application, what happened that it might using some services which conflict with this service and might causing that issue. So once we stop it, we can again try to install the application and check error is coming or not. So now the last method is perform the clean boot procedure. To perform a clean boot procedure, go to msconfig and in msconfig go to services. Once you go to the services, you have to click on hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. Once you click on disable all the services other than the Microsoft services are disabled. Now you have to go to the startup tab. In a startup tab, click on open task manager, and here you have to disable all the third party application. What are the third party application whose publisher is other than the Microsoft corporation, like Spotify, Wondershare is a third party application. If the publisher is Microsoft corporation, you don't have to disable that because it is a Microsoft application. Once you disable all the third party application, you have to disable all the third party application like Skype and Intel corporation should not be. Intel corporation is important because it is a system required service application, so don't disable it and disable all other applications. Once you disable this all thing, go and restart your system. When you restart, only the Microsoft corporation related applications and services will work, and then you have to go and uninstall or install the application in which you are facing the error, and then check that error is coming or not. Hopefully error will not come. So these are all the methods which can help you to fix the error. If any of this method help you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.